First fish in my creek. Okay, so I'm cutting out the other parts because that's a waste of time. Long story short, not short. There's creek. Okay, I mean a million minnows. Like I seen a creek chub and it looked like a striped bass, but super small. If I catch fish, maybe you can identify for me. But I used bread, fell off. Should have thought about that. I got old nasty ham. They may go nuts for it because, you know, they're half wild. And this is creek fishing part 2. Adventures. I'll mess that up. Lord. Today's video is to try and catch a fish in my... my gosh. Try and catch a creek in my fish. You know how it is. And try and maybe later feed them up, get them bigger, use them for bait at the spillway and for a minnow trap. It's gonna be pretty awesome. Like, I mean awesome if I catch one. I'll be super gosh diggity darn happy. Okay, here's a spot of minnows. I don't think they'll eat, considering they're like mega wild. But, you know, they look a lot bigger, their shadows do, than they actually are. And I got up close with one, about the size of my pinky. So, you know, pretty small. Okay, so right now we're going to sneak up on them because they were eating my bread. And we don't want to feed them too much. Okay, well, I think that, no, I see glares of a couple fish. They may move farther down, which we're just going to get some casting in right now. I'll get to it. I was thinking just tying on a bait that like possibly could just hook them. A little inhumane, but you know. I don't know if it's inhumane now. Oh, dude. First fish in my creek. What you know about me? What you know about me? I don't know what you can tell me about this guy. Okay, let's go. There ain't no way I just caught a creek fish. I'm gonna take a picture, so let's go, guys. I completed my challenge. If you want to see more videos of me like catching these fish, you be right ahead, because I'll make them 24/7 right now. Well, not right now, but when I get done with schoolwork, I'll come out here and I'll fish. Let's go. I'm literally the boss. I don't know if I got much action on there. I'll try and record the next one. But he bit it, and I just wham, hit him right in the mouthy. And I'm gonna literally feed these suckers every day. I'll try. You know, I'm young. I mean, can't really afford it. Ain't no one like watching my videos, though. If you do, thank you. Thanks for the support, man. They probably just seen his friend get eaten. So, hey, I'm proud. I caught a fish this time. So that's pretty interesting. Oh, baby, a triple. Okay, I'm not even joking. I'm freaking out right now. I just seen there's bass in this creek. Well, I knew there's bass, but not that big. I don't know if you've seen that. I'm gonna have to review the footage. That's what's jumping, but like, oh my gosh. If I catch that, I'm gonna make the best YouTube video ever. I'm pretty bad at fishing, but I can't believe they're that big, and I know exactly where they are. Maybe I'll catch one day. Like, I'm kind of freaking out right now. They're probably never going to come out because they're super wild. But I honestly think they're half a pound or bigger. I cast horribly. But dang, that thing was giant. There were 2 of them. I'm going to call them King and Queen. Oh my gosh. That's pretty righteous, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, dude, no! I'm in tears. This thing's awesome. It's actually catching fish. I'm gonna wrap it up for today's video. I caught one. I had another one hooked. It was pretty good size. It was bigger than my last one. And I will make a video maybe soon again. I'm gonna definitely be fishing this creek a lot more. And peace out. Like and subscribe.